Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the 2013 Nobel Prize in Physics. I chose this topic because it explains one of the most fundamental questions in physics: why particles have mass. The prize was awarded for the theoretical discovery of a mechanism that contributes to our understanding of the origin of mass of subatomic particles. This mechanism is known as the Higgs mechanism. According to modern physics, particles are described by quantum fields. These fields exist everywhere in space. However, one important question remained unanswered for a long time. Why do some particles have mass, while others do not? The Higgs mechanism provides an explanation. It proposes the existence of a field called the Higgs field, which fills all space. When particles interact with this field, they acquire mass. In other words, mass is not simply an intrinsic property of particles. It arises from their interaction with the Higgs field. This idea was first proposed in the 1960s. For decades, scientists searched for experimental evidence. In 2012, researchers at CERN confirmed the existence of a new particle consistent with the Higgs boson. This discovery provided strong support for the theory. The Higgs mechanism is a key part of the standard model of particle physics. It helps explain how the fundamental structure of matter is formed. I find this discovery very fascinating. It shows the properties we take for granted, such as mass, have deeper origins. It also demonstrates the importance of combining theory and experiment. In the future, further research may deepen our understanding of the universe. Even though this topic may seem abstract, it gives us an important message. The visible world is shaped by invisible structures. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the 2013 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. I chose this topic because it shows how scientists can study complex chemical systems using computers. The prize was awarded for the development of multi-scale models for complex chemical systems. In chemistry, reactions often occur at the atomic level. To understand them accurately, scientists need to consider quantum mechanics. However, quantum calculations are very complex and require a lot of computational power. On the other hand, classical physics is simpler but less precise. The key idea of this discovery was to combine both approaches. Scientists developed hybrid models that use quantum mechanics for the most important parts of a system and classical physics for the rest. This makes it possible to study large and complex molecules efficiently. For example, these models can be used to analyze how enzymes work in the human body. They also help researchers understand chemical reactions that would be difficult to observe directly. This discovery has had a major impact on chemistry and biology. It has improved our ability to design drugs and understand biological processes. I find this discovery very interesting because it shows that different methods can be combined to solve complex problems. It also teaches us that accuracy and efficiency must be balanced. In the future, these models may become even more powerful and precise. Even though this topic may seem technical, it gives us an important message. Combining different perspectives can lead to better solutions. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the 2013 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. I chose this topic because it explains how cells transport materials with high precision. The prize was awarded for discoveries of machinery regulating vesicle traffic, a major transport system in our cells. Cells are highly organized systems. They constantly produce proteins, hormones, and other important molecules. However, producing these molecules is not enough. They must be delivered to the correct location at the correct time. This is where vesicle transport plays a crucial role. Vesicles are small membrane-bound sacs that carry substances inside cells. They move between different compartments such as the endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi apparatus, and the cell membrane. Scientists discovered how vesicles know where to go and how they fuse with the correct target. Specific proteins ensure that vesicles attach only to the right membrane. One important group of proteins is called snare proteins. These proteins help vesicles recognize and fuse with their target compartments. This system is highly precise and tightly regulated. If this process fails, it can lead to serious diseases, including neurological disorders and diabetes. This discovery has greatly improved our understanding of cellular organization. It also has important implications for medicine and biology. I find this discovery very interesting because it shows that cells function like highly coordinated systems. It also teaches us that accurate transport is essential for maintaining order. In the future, this knowledge may help develop new treatments for various diseases. Even though this topic may seem complex, it gives us an important message. Proper delivery is just as important as production. Thank you.